I am showing Nigels Jamaican almond oil and how I use it when I wash my face. So first, I wash my face with this. It's from Ulta. Just apply on your face really quick. I already washed my face, so apply on your face. Leave it on for like 30 seconds, wash it off, and then you get the almond oil. I usually use 1 or 2 droplets. So this is good. And then put it on the places where you have the worst breakage. I usually put it on my dark spots because it usually gets away. And I've been using almond oil for a couple months and my skin looks so much better. I use it in my hair too after I wash it. And it feels good and it smells good. Perfect. And that's how I use Nigels Jamaican almond oil.